3D laser scan to beam services company FOR Accurate Asbuilts in USA. In the field of architecture and construction, accurate as-built documentation is crucial for the success of any project. It ensures that the final product matches the original design and allows for efficient maintenance and renovations in the future. One of the most effective methods for capturing accurate as-built information is through 3D laser scanning technology. This advanced technique allows for the creation of highly detailed and precise digital models of existing structures. 3D laser scan to beam services company have become increasingly popular in the United States, particularly in cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. These services company provide architects, engineers, and construction professionals with a reliable and efficient way to capture existing conditions in a digital format. The laser scanning process involves using a high-precision laser scanner to capture millions of data points from an object or space. These data points are then processed to create a three-dimensional representation of the scanned area. The use of laser scan to beam services company for accurate as-builts offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it allows for a more comprehensive understanding of existing conditions, minimizing the risk of errors or omissions during the design and construction phases. Secondly, it enables more precise measurements and calculations, leading to better project planning and cost estimation. Additionally, the digital models created through laser scanning can be easily integrated with building information modeling (BIM) software, allowing for seamless collaboration and coordination among project stakeholders. SCON Design, located in Bangalore, India, is one of the leading providers of 3D laser scan to beam services. With a team of experienced professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, they offer accurate as-built documentation solutions for projects across various sectors, including commercial, residential, industrial, and institutional. Their expertise in laser scanning technology and BIM ensures that clients receive highly detailed and accurate digital models that meet their specific requirements. The process of 3D laser scan to beam services company SCON Design begins with an on-site visit to the project location. The laser scanners are strategically placed to capture data from all angles, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the entire space. The collected data is then processed using advanced software to create a detailed 3D model. This model can be further enriched with additional information such as material properties, equipment specifications, and MEP systems. In conclusion, 3D laser scan to beam services company have revolutionized the way as-built documentation is conducted in the architecture and construction industry. The use of this advanced technology ensures accurate and detailed digital models of existing structures, allowing for efficient project planning, coordination, and maintenance. SCON Design in Bangalore is a leading provider of these services, offering their expertise to clients across various sectors. With their assistance, architects and construction professionals can rely on accurate as-built documentation to enhance their project's success. Accurate as-built documentation is essential to the success of any project in the architecture and building industries. As a result, you may rest assured that the finished product will look and function just like you envisioned it. Using 3D laser scanning technology is one of the most efficient ways to get precise as-built data. With the help of this cutting-edge method, accurate and detailed 3D models of real-world buildings may be made. U.S. cities including New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago have seen a rise in demand for 3D laser scan to building information modeling (BIM) services. These services companies supply architects, engineers, and builders with a dependable and effective means of digitally documenting pre-existing conditions. Laser scanning entails capturing millions of data points from an object or area with the use of a high-precision laser scanner. A three-dimensional model of the scanned area is constructed from these data points. There are many advantages to using laser scan to beam services company to create precise as-builts. To begin with, it facilitates a more in-depth comprehension of pre-existing situations, hence reducing the likelihood of mistakes or omissions being made throughout the design and construction phases. Two additional benefits are improved project planning and cost estimation as a result of more accurate measurements and computations. As an added bonus, the digital models produced by laser scanning may be easily connected with building information modeling (BIM) software, facilitating effective communication and cooperation between all parties involved in a construction project. Among the many companies offering 3D laser scan to beam services, the SCON Design in Bangalore, India, stands out as a frontrunner. They provide precise as-built documentation solutions for commercial, residential, industrial, and institutional projects using a team of skilled specialists and cutting-edge technology. They are well versed in both laser scanning technology and building information modeling, guaranteeing that their clients receive accurate and detailed digital models. SCON Design, 3D laser scan to beam services company begin with a trip to the job site. The laser scanners are carefully placed to collect data from all directions, providing a 360-degree view of the area being scanned. Advanced software is used to process the data collected in order to generate a precise 3D model. Material qualities, equipment specs, and MEP systems are just a few examples of information that might be added to this model. In conclusion, 3D Laser Scan to Beam Services Company have completely altered the process of as-built documentation in the AEC sector. To facilitate effective project planning, coordination, and maintenance, this cutting-edge technology generates precise and comprehensive digital models of already built structures. The SCON design in Bangalore is an industry leader in this field, serving customers in a wide variety of fields. Accurate as-built documentation is crucial to the success of building projects, and they help ensure that architects and builders have access to this information. When it comes to the construction and design sectors, accurate as-built documentation is important to any project's success. Therefore, you may have faith that the final product will appear and perform just as you expected. As-built information can be obtained quickly and accurately with the help of 3D laser scanning technology. This state-of-the-art technique allows for the creation of precise and detailed 3D models of actual structures. Thanks for watching.